Hello children, welcome to today's session. Okay, so we came to the end of this lesson, full or empty. So we have learned about the capacity. Okay, so how to measure the capacity of a container, isn't it? Yes, I hope everyone completed your home fund. Now we can see the concept map. Okay, now see here Kanna. Everyone take your studio, take pencil along with you, take page number 78 in your studio, Max Studio. Okay, yes, now see here, capacity they have given, okay, the amount of liquid that a container can hold is known as its, what is that? Yes, very good, capacity, okay. So, the amount of liquid that a container can hold is known as, we call it as a capacity. Okay, so you want to write here. Okay, Kanna? What is mean by capacity? So, the amount of liquid that a container can hold is known as its capacity. Okay, yes. Now, see here next, what is the second point? We can express the capacity of one container using the measurement of other small containers. Suppose, okay, if you want to measure the capacity of one water bottle, how you will find its capacity? Yes, so we will measure by using a small containers like a bowl or glass, isn't it? Yes, so using a bowl or a glass, we will fill the water bottle. So we can able to find the measurement of the capacity. Okay, so how much that container can hold, we can able to find it, isn't it? So that we call it as a capacity. Okay, now see here Kanna, they have given like a bowl shaped figure. Okay, so this is one container. Okay, this is like a part, isn't it? Yes, so this is a part. Suppose, see here they have given fully filled. Okay, suppose the water is fully filled until this, we call it as a fully filled. Okay, suppose the water is in this position, half only means we call it as a half filled. Okay, so now see here Kanna. So for example, I have drawn one pot. Okay, so one pot and this pot is filled fully. Okay, so the water is filled fully until this. So we call this as fully filled. Okay, so this pot is filled fully. Okay, now see the second one. See the second figure. See how much water it is there. Only half. Isn't it? Yes. So this we call it as a half filled. Okay. So this is we call it as a half filled and this part we call it as a fully filled. Okay Kanna? Yes. So fully filled and half filled. Just now I shown no that you understood I think. Isn't it? Yes Kanna. So the amount of liquid that a container can hold is known as its capacity. Okay, yes, we can express the capacity of one container using the measurement of other small containers. Okay, by using a small container only, we can able to measure the capacity of that container, big container. Okay, Kanna? Yes. Now see, Kanna, now question time. Okay, so this is the home fund. You have to do by yourself. Now see here, match the following. See, in left hand side they have given the water bottles. Okay, in left hand side they have given the water bottles and right side they have returns. See, half, full, more than half and less than half. Now you want to match. See the first water bottle Kanna. How the water is filled in this water bottle? Half or full or more than half or less than half. See, first you have to observe carefully these water bottles. Out of these 4 water bottles, which is fully filled? Check the water bottles, Kanna. Yes, very good. The first one, very good, super. The first one is a fully filled. Yes, very good. So which one you want to match? Full. Okay, yes. Next one, see the second one, Kana. See the second water bottle. This one we call it as a less than half or more than half or half. Yes, very good, half. Okay, so you want to match the second water bottle with the half. Okay, now see the third one option. What is the third one? We call it as more than half or less than half. Yes, very good, less than half. Okay, so this is half and this one less than half. Okay, so you want to match this water bottle with less than half. Okay, and see the fourth one, fourth water bottle. Yes, what we call it as? Either it is full. No. So already we have said that the first water bottle is fully filled. Okay, so this is not fully filled. So less than half or more than half? Yes, very good, super, more than half. Okay, so this is the half and it is somewhat more than of this water bottle. Okay, so we call this water bottle as a more than half. So you want to match this bottle with more than half. Do you understand, children? Yes, so by using these figures of water bottles, you can able to understand full or half or less than half or more than half. Okay. Yes, next we can see the second question. Which of the following is not filled to its full capacity? Okay, which of the following is not filled to its full capacity? You want to circle. See the first one, they have given the Charles bottle. Okay, so out of these two, which one is fully filled? Either this one or this one. Yes, very good, super. The second one, isn't it? So the second bottle is fully filled with Charles. So you want to, which of the following is not filled to its full capacity? They are asking which is not filled fully. So out of these two, which is not fully filled? The first option, the first bottle. Okay, you want to circle this first bottle. Okay, Kana? Yes. Now see the second one. They are asking which is not filled fully. Okay, so underline this word. So you have to read the question carefully. Which of the following is not filled to its full capacity? They are asking. So in the first option, the first bottle is not filled fully. Okay, so what we call this bottle as? Half or full? Yes, half capacity. Okay, half filled bottle. Yes, very good, Kana. See the second option. Out of these two, which is not fully filled with water? Either the first one or second one. Yes, very good. The second one. The second one is the water is not filled fully. Okay. Yes, very good. So you want to circle the second option. Okay. Now see the third one, Cannot take page number 80, which has the maximum capacity. Okay, so you want to find which has the maximum capacity. See here, one water bottle holds 2 glasses of water. Okay, one water bottle holds 2 glasses of water. So they have given the options. See, 2 glasses or 2 bottles. So one water bottle holds 2 glasses of water. So you want to tick the option which one is correct. 2 glasses or 2 bottles, 1 glass or 1 bottle, 3 glasses or 3 bottles. So which has the maximum capacity? So one water bottle holds 2 glasses of water. So they have given 3 options, Kana. Okay. So 2 glasses of bottle holds 1 water bottle. Okay. 2 glasses or 2 bottles, 1 glass or 1 bottle, 3 glasses or 3 bottles. So which has the maximum capacity? So you want to find which has the maximum capacity. Okay, children? Yes. So this is a home fun for you. Okay. And discuss with your parents and you can complete this home fun. Okay. See here. So this is the question time and sit and discuss with your parents. Okay, Kana? Okay. Okay, children. We can see in the next new lesson. Okay, bye.